Shalthang Tripura Jila Purishad 4 number constituency ne board lekhamung angai tongo tom Kwchang ni bisingte Jirania Ponjet Sumiti Habanogo tabusuk jura photo round chulai tongo te tabusuk jura board lekhamungo musha dira khara great tom Kwchang ni bisingte no board lekhamani mangpli kasai pekya Jirania Ponjet Habanogo
Welcome to the future of innovation, where minds meet technology and dreams become reality. Kwchang University Tripura, your gateway to a world of endless possibilities. Our state-of-the-art campus is a melting pot of brilliance, a place where creativity and technology converge. From modern lecture halls to advanced laboratories, we provide an environment that fosters intellectual growth and hands-on learning. Our dedicated faculties are experts in their fields, passionate about mentoring the next generation of innovators. From adrenaline-pumping matches to our all-genre of sports, our campus is alive with the spirit of competition. Within the realms of Kwchang, emerging as artists whose creations resonate with the heartbeat of artistic expression. Making Kwchang the true epicenter of creativity, where innovation meets education. Join us on the journey to redefine what's possible. Your future begins here. Kwchang University Tripura. Dream big.
Belaino kok tumakaham. EDC dugmali hatiwo manthogo tabuk malkhung paina nishe. Maruti Suzuki Arena, Pallavi Motors branch showroom katal fioge Rwjakkha dugmali hatiwo. Oromanthogo Maruti Suzuki company ni malkhung ro. Rondi Alto K10, Espresso, Wagoner, Celerio, Swift, Desire, Brezza, Ertiga, Eco, te Baleno by France. Offers eba discount botongo, zero down payment by. Te malkhung kasam by exchange klaye rang kisha by no malkhung pai manani sheb botongo. 4.99 lakh nishimi, 15 lakh rang morok ni malkhung manthogo. Minimum 70,000 eba 1 lakh te zero down payment rakheno malkhung katal pai manai. Haikhe lerita tongshidi tabuk no karangdi Maruti Suzuki Arena, Pallavi Motors, Khumulang branch by Nikuma, Maruti Suzuki Arena, Pallavi Motors Private Limited, TTAADC, Khumulang, Duk Malihati, Yakhilik Academy Rangnoganawa, Kokduk 8132801918, Ebakhe 69098635332.